how to extend FNF songs with Suno AI. In this video, what we're going to be talking about is how you're going to be extending your FNF or Friday Night Funkin' songs with Suno AI. So if you want to extend these audios for yourself, what you're going to be doing is first of all, obviously download the audio as I have over here. Now, once we have done that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on upload audio, click on agree to terms. Now you can either record an audio or you can go ahead and click on select a file. Now, once we do that, as we can see, I have this FNF audio. So once we have done this, I'm going to click on save without trimming. And once you save it without trimming, obviously it's going to go ahead and generate an image according to how it sounds. And once that is done, it's going to upload the audio as it is. Now, once it goes ahead and upload the audio, what's going to happen from there is you're going to click on confirm and save. Once you click on confirm and save, what happens from here is you can pretty much go ahead, click on extend, and once you click on extend, you're basically going to go ahead, you're going to make sure to scroll down into the main page. And once we scroll down, what happens from there is you get the option to extend over here. And once we click on extend, you can add your very own lyrics according to what you want. You're going to choose the style of music you want for it. And once we have done all of that, you can see that you get an extended version of this OST that we had for FNF. And, you know, to go ahead and give it a listen. So as you can see, you can extend it like that, or if you want to, extend it even more, what you can do is I'm going to go ahead and remove all of that. I'm going to remove the style of music or anything, and I'm going to go ahead, click on exclude styles. And to exclude styles, by the way, you will need to be subscribed. I'm also going to keep it totally instrumental, and I'm going to go ahead, write an 8-bit, click on extend, and once we click on extend, obviously according to the prompts that I've provided it's going to be extending my song from the exact time stamp I've given it. So let's go ahead and give it a listen. So you can basically see how much it actually extends your song. So basically that's the main idea of how you are going to go ahead and basically extend any type of song made, be an FNF song or any other song. So that is pretty much all there is for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.